Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to another episode of MMO for Noobs. Now, last time we stopped, and just before we completed installing Chrome onto our main machine, and we were having some challenges with getting which Rhine is it working. Specifically, it seems like we're unable to get sufficiently diverse results. I think the bottom we got was 9.6% at fixed learning rate instead of having a range. So that leads me to believe that maybe we're running with too little data, and so what we need to do is we're probably going to have to run all above. We're probably going to have to add more data to be able to get more accurate results, because 9.6% looks like it's about as good as we're going to get with the current data set that we have, which is about 150 images each. So that's where we're at now. And we also, in order to pull in more data, we need to use this Chrome script that we found. Well, it's not really a Chrome script. It's this command can only be used by root. All right, maybe we don't need to do this in Venv. Do that there. Huh. All right. And then we're gonna install stable Chrome, because that's what you need. Okay. And so, yeah, the idea here is just to get Chrome and Chrome driver working, so that we can run the script that we need in order to pull more images, because that's looking like the reason why we're unable to get this to a reliable rate, a rate that we can work with. So that's what I'm hoping we're going to be able to get after we finish all this Chrome business. So let's do that. That gives us Chrome driver. So installed Chrome. Let's get Chrome driver now. Chrome driver version. Have we set that? Oh yeah, we did, but as before. Let's do that now. Alright, and then give that another shot. Alright, and then we are going to set up Chrome driver, change it to root, and change it to 755. Alright, looks good. Now it's time for Selenium. Let's get Selenium going. Alright, and then we're going to change that to root and do the same thing we did there. Alright, so at this point we should have everything sort of working. Start Chrome headless is simply this function. So I suppose we could just add this to bash profile or something, but we can just run it here to see if it's working. You're essentially just running Chrome driver. Why is my laptop so slow? come on, guys. All right, hub. Oh dear. Hub. Yeah. Okay. Looks good. I mean, I don't know if this is what it's supposed to be doing, but looks all right. Looks like it's working. Cool. So now we should be able to get this going with the Chrome driver script that we had earlier. Alright, usage. Command line interface. Yeah, that's what we need. And then here he says Google Images download. So let's see if we can get this going. So I'm gonna do source bin activate. Alright, let's see if we have Google Images download. We should. Alright, that's there. And then just do the same example. Baseball game, medium. We're going to try and get 500 images. We're going to output it, well, to here. No, out here. I don't know what the I stands for. Train dash basketball. Why do you need, is that input? Don't know. And then CD. I don't know what that's about. Which Chrome driver? Alright then. We'll pass in that. Let's see. Is that gonna work? Getting you a lot of images. This may take a few moments. I like this. I like where it's going. Temp, which Ryan is it? Alright, this is very nice. Do you think this might actually work? Because if it does, whoa, this is working. Guys, wait, let me stop this. Let's see. Baseball game. There it is. All our images are right here. Whoa, that's amazing. Alright, you know what? Let's delete that. And let's get our images, man. So now we're gonna get our actual images, which we need. We're gonna call Ryan Reynolds. I was hoping I could actually run this locally so that, you know, if I need to remove some images because they don't fit, or, you know, they're just crappy images, then I'd be able to review that and remove it, like, locally. But now I have it running on this machine. I don't know if I do have it running, let's see. Maybe it's possible to have this running. Chrome driver. Well, it does look like it's working. I don't know if I have that other one going. Let's give it a shot. Google image download. Alright, let's install our requirements. It's not there. What's the deal? Now, what is this? Ryan Reynolds LL? That's not what you want. Alright, now I'm going to put the length at, so I already have about 100 images. I want to get about 2,000. Right? So I'm going to filter. I'm thinking and end up filtering about 500 of them. So 2,000 seems like a good number to work with. So let's see if we can do that. Get that going. Getting you a lot of images just may take a few moments. Sounds good to me. And what I want to do now is do the same thing that we did earlier, but this time I want to do it locally. All right. And so, let me see. Well, let me actually get the list of requirements that we had. So let me open a new window here and see if we can get nice, very nice. See a lot of images there. That's what we want to see. Already got over 100. Very nice. So I'm going to go to root and temp, which Ryan is it, and delete that folder. That was the one I typed by mistake. You can see we have a requirements.txt. And this is the list of requirements. Let's put that in here. So I'm gonna remove the requirements that we have, and I'm just gonna create a new one, paste that in there, and then let's just create a new. Alright, you know what? That's nice, 300 already. That's more images than we had before. Alright, so let's virtual env.venv, make sure we're using Python 3. Alright, come on. And I think what's going on is that we didn't actually have Selenium installed. So maybe that's the issue. I didn't have Selenium, and that's probably why like this whole thing didn't work. Oh look, I'm seeing Gosling Reynolds. That's no good. I wanted separate images, not the same thing. Interesting. Alright, anyway. So Chrome driver, we know we have Chrome. But Chrome driver. Yeah, I also have Chrome driver. Which Chrome driver? Ah, it's the wrong Chrome driver. Apparently this Chrome driver is in a gem environment. Okay, that's not there. So if I were to source, yeah, let's do that, and then let's install our pip. Wait, everything downloaded? 542 is all we got for this search filter? What are you talking about, 542? Everything downloaded. Total error is 21. Time taken 210 seconds. That's it? That's disappointing. 542. Alright. I'm just gonna download Gosling and see how far I get. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is pretty disappointing. 542. I don't think that's gonna be nearly enough. Unless we use some sort of library that's already sort of pre-trained on faces. I don't know if there's such a thing. Pre-trained faces. Dataset. FaceNet, face recognition. Huh. Casio Web Face and VGG Face 2. Open Face. Interesting. Open Face. Okay, I'm not really sure what to make of all that. Alright, it's good to see that this is still downloading, still going strong at 530 images. Hopefully gonna fare much better than the previous attempt. Yeah, Ryan Gosling, that's nice. That's nice. Lots of Ryan Gosling photos. Why not so many Ryan Reynolds? It's probably because the guy's new on the block. Don't know. Now we're familiar. Whoa. Did I just jinx it? Oh my god, come on guys. How many are we looking at? Tell me the truth. 589. And the other one? 545. That's not good, man. It's not good. I don't even know if it's... Okay, so I had 100 something images before. 150, I think it was. So, it's definitely a step up. It's definitely a step up, but it's going to take quite a bit of work to go through the images and filter out the crappy ones. So, yeah, didn't want to do that with such a small number of images. Not knowing, if it's going to be enough or not. How does the zip function work? Let me see. Zip. Alright, zip, options, path, and then a list. Add or replace zip file entries from list. Okay. So I just want to get them. Okay, that was it. The Gosling.zip, 93 megabytes. Alright, let's do the same for Reynolds. Right, that's looking like Gosling at 93, Reynolds at 58. So let's go ahead and download those and start doing our little filtering exercise. So I know he could do it before using. What is it doing? Why is it opening it? It's supposed to download. Yeah, download. Same for Reynolds. Download that. Alright, so that's gonna take quite a bit of time to do. Looks like it's going pretty slow. Just great. It's not even that many images, guys. I mean, come on. This is a joke. There's gotta be a better way to do this. Let's see if we got this going. Alright, that's it. So we'll run the same commands. Which Chrome driver? Alright, so I'm gonna run the same command that we had earlier. Why can't I see my history, guys? Come on, hello. What's wrong with this? Is it because I'm downloading? I'm already kind of slowing it down to a halt. Oh my god. Alright, there we go. No. Go back. Alright, here. So Google Images download -K. No, don't. Why are you running that? -K baseball -S medium -L. Alright, just give me 10. I would put it here. And CD. I'm just gonna put which Chrome driver here. See if that works. Ooh, looks like it does. Looks like it's working. Well, that's great. I mean, okay, it's nice. We can get this working here. So, which right is it? Alright. There it is. Downloads. What is that? Baseball. These are the images. Certainly looks like baseball images. Alright. Think it would make a difference if we actually did it from here as opposed to doing it through the script. So this is Reynolds. Let's start with Reynolds. Cannot find Chrome binary. What do you mean you can't find Chrome binary? How did you download the last set? Oh, is it because I deleted that folder? Was it using the downloads folder? Oh, I don't have Chrome? Oh my god, come on, you guys. Yeah, it doesn't look like I have Chrome, apparently. Alright then, let's follow those lessons, get Chrome installed, and then... well, and then give this a shot. This command can only be used by root. Alright, this isn't very great. I'm not too happy about what's going on here. Things are not moving as fast as I wanted them to move. And getting images is more of a challenge than I thought. Even using something like Google Images, right? I've already tried Bing. I don't think they have more than 200 images, so that's not going to be very helpful for us. Some index files failed to download. Alright, you know what? It doesn't matter.